Hi to everyone, welcome to my channel. This is another video about the Yamaha Tracer 9. In fact, this video will be about the stock tires. So these are the Bridgestone Battlax T32 and in this video I would like to share my thoughts, my opinion about these tires. So let's go into details, guys. Battlax T32 from Bridgestone are sport touring tires. So the purpose of such tires is that they have the inner part, the middle part, quite durable and harder, so they can last longer. And in fact, this is also the very good thing that is about these tires. So they lasted longer than I thought. I mean, they are still ready to ride, I mean appropriate for riding. So the front one, it's a little bit more worn out, maybe because of my weight, maybe because of my riding style, of braking and so on, but the rear one, it's still in a very good condition. So I think that I can still do some kilometers, some hundreds of kilometers with both of them. But otherwise I am the guy that likes to have things very, let's say, done correctly. That's why I'm gonna change both in the same time, just like I did it on the Suzuki SV650. So what can I say about these tires? These are sport touring tires, so they are, let's say, soft enough but not too soft, but still, even though they are sport touring tires, you can lean quite a lot with them. You can, let's say, have very high speeds with them. They are very soon warm up, and then you just feel very confident when riding with them. After more than 12,000 kilometers and 2 longer trips, and also quite a lot of local riding here around my country on some mountain roads and so on, also in the cities, I have to tell you that these are very good tires. So they performed very well. It was something that I also expected, because I heard a lot good things about them. But I would like to cover this review in 4 different sections. So the first one, it's the grip, and about the grip I can only say very positive things. So the grip, it's very good, even in the corners. And you feel very confident when riding in the corners with these tires. So I would rate it very high. Otherwise, the grip in the wet. In the wet the grip is not so good, and I didn't feel so confident, but still more than sufficient for a normal ride, I would say. About the durability of these tires is expected to be very good. In fact, it's just something that I expected. So now that I have more than 12,000 kilometers on them, I still have something left. So 1,000 and 1,000 and half for the front, and for the rear even more, but I will change both the same day, just like I did it on my previous bike. So durability, it's a good one, not a perfect one, but a good one. Some also reported that they covered more than 15,000 kilometers, but in my case it seems to be that I'm gonna change them both at 14,000 kilometers as I see it right now. And the price tag, guys, so these are not very cheap, but neither very expensive. So you can get a pair of these for around 340, 350, maybe even less euros. So this is a very good price in my opinion for such tires. In conclusion, I can say that these tires are one of those that are in general very good, and the best thing about them, it's riding in the dry condition. So twisties in the dry conditions are just fun, and you can really trust these tires in the dry. Otherwise, overall I am very satisfied, and hopefully till now I think that I'm gonna buy the same pair, so the same model from Bridgestone, and you will see the day I will film it, probably when I will mount them on. This was all. This was my short review of the Bridgestone Battlax T32 that are stock tires on the Yamaha Tracer 9. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that some of you may find this information useful. Thanks for watching, guys, and like always, do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.